first speaker of the plenary session, Swami Vishweshwaranand Ji, is the 11th President of Suratgiri, Bangla, Haridwar, and President of Sannyas Ashram, Vilepale, Mumbai. We would request Swami Ji to speak a few words.
जो अपने जीवन में जो सत्य का रास्ता पकड़ता है, अहिंसा का रास्ता पकड़ता है और परोपकार का रास्ता पकड़ते हुए अगर वो उपदेश देता है, वो उपदेश मान्य होता है। इसलिए हमारे अनादिकाल से बहुत संतों ने ये उपदेश दिया और हमारे सनातन धर्म का ये सबसे बड़ा उपदेश है, संगच्छध्वम संवदध्वम सन्नो मनाश जानता। हमारे यहाँ पर ये नहीं है कि तुम अलग अलग चलो, समगच्छध्वम, हम साथ साथ चले। कहाँ चलना है? एक मार्ग पर। कौन से मार्ग पर? सत्य के मार्ग पर। संवदध्वम, हम लोग साथ साथ बोले। जैसे हम लोगों ने यहाँ पर राष्ट्रगीत गाया, जो प्रथम भी गाया, द्वितीय भी गाया, एक स्वर में गाया, बड़ा सुंदर लगा। इसी प्रकार हमें साथ साथ बोलना चाहिए, साथ साथ चलना चाहिए और साथ साथ में एक दूसरे के मन को समझना चाहिए। आज विरोधाभास क्यों हो रहा है? सब लोग कहते हैं कि हम श्रेष्ठ। हम ये नहीं कहते कि हम श्रेष्ठ, हम तो कहते हैं कि आप हमारे देश में आइए, आप जिस परमात्मा में मानते हैं उसको मानिए, परंतु समाज को छिन्न भिन्न करने का प्रयत्न न करो। यही हमारा इस देश का, इस हमारे धर्म का यही स्वभाव है। इसलिए ऐसे सम्मेलनों की आवश्यकता होती है। इतना कहते हुए अपनी वाणी को विराम। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
Our second speaker is Sadhvi Dr. Samani Chaitanya Pragya. We request you to express your thoughts, Sadhvi ji.
Moral values, ethical values are not different in different religions. All teaches non-violence, all teaches righteousness, all teaches non-stealing, all teaches that how we can be more and more control on our sexual desires or material desires. So these kind of teachings are very common to all religions, and that's why there is some point of agreement among the religions. They can sit together and think together on these different values. The last point which we find that is the core component of religion, that is spirituality. In spirituality, we try to see that each soul has immense potentials for developing himself and also to help others. So spirituality is not concerned only to the person who is following a spiritual path, but it also elevates, evolves, helps to others. And spirituality is the core component of all the religions. They all try to evolve human consciousness to divine state. And this state is highly appreciated. And on this point, all religions can sit together, talk together, and can develop some different types of practices which can help human being to evolve himself to higher stage, to develop higher consciousness in which we can imbibe all living beings, all existence which we find in our surrounding. Thank you very much.
Now I would request Swami Paramatmanand Saraswati ji to conclude the session by your chair remarks.
How does he establish his dharma? By building temples, by building ashrams, by giving dikshas, by giving tilaka, etc. No. He himself tells in the first line, Paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkrutam dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge. It is exactly like if you want to protect knowledge, if you want to support knowledge, you cannot do it by building libraries and printing books. You have to protect the vidwan, the knowledgeable. So also to protect dharma, dharmik should be protected, and that dharmic person is called sadhu. The definition of dharmic sadhu is Pranatyepi swadharmam na tyajanti te sadavaha. Who doesn't give up his or her own dharma even if he or she has to sacrifice his prana. That means a person committed to dharma is sadhu, and Bhagavan comes to protect those sadhus and thereby establishes dharma. Let's understand further. What exactly do we mean by dharma? In a simple word, if I say, dharma means what is expected out of me in a given situation is dharma. What kind of behavior, what kind of response, what kind of action that is expected out of me, and that I do it, that means I am a dharmic person. And the creation being such that expectation is universal. What we say generally common sense, I would say that common sense is dharma. The mutual behavioral expectation is universal. Therefore, no religion can say this is wrong or right. I as an individual, though I am a male or a Hindu leader or whatever I may be, I don't want anyone to lie unto me. I want all others to speak truth unto me. That my expectation from others is universal. An American, African, or maybe Japanese, or maybe another country, male, female, a Christian, Muslim, Hindu, Jain, all expects. What a human being expects from other, that is dharma, and what you don't expect from other, that is adharma. I thank my board members. One of them is Swami Vishweshwaranji. Namaste. Thank you all.